Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix lag and low FPS in Battlefield REDSEC on your PS5. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just open settings, go to network and open settings again and select setup internet connection. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is always more stable and generally faster. If you can't use Ethernet, that's okay. Continue with the next steps. Press options button and change your Wi-Fi frequency band. Don't leave it on automatic. Set it to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz depending on which works better for you. Next, go to advanced settings and change your DNS settings from automatic to manual. Set your primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and your secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Confirm the settings and let the connection test run. Once everything is updated, restart your console and launch the game again. The REDSEC lag and low FPS issue should now be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.